Said I need a real one. Tired of the cake and the silicone. Said I need a real one. Forget perfection, I love bumpy roads. Said I need a real one.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elena Vibes, and in today's video I will be showing you all the new mommies, all the mommies to be, expecting mothers, you're thinking about having a baby. I'll be showing you guys how to save some coins. Yes, we all want to save money at the end of the day, especially when it comes down to our babies, having kids. Like, you want to know how to get the most for your money, and you know what, how to get some free stuff. Like, who doesn't like free stuff? I know I do. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your hands on some free baby products, diapers, bottles, food, toys, like everything you could think of for the free, $0, okay? These two boxes right here, they are from Walmart. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is from Walmart. This is how the box looks. For Walmart, I made a registry and I got a box mailed to my house for free, okay? All I had to do was make the registry online, sign up, they sent me my gift box. No purchase necessary. And then the second Walmart box that I got was actually from my OBGYN. When you go to your OBGYN, some of them, not all, but some of them do give you free sample goodie boxes. So this bag that you see right here, this one is from Target. With Target, it's the same thing. You just go online, sign in, make your account just like with Walmart. Then you will get a code. So the code is like a little barcode and it's in your account. So when you go to a Target store, you just show them that little barcode. You go to the customer service / baby registry desk and you just show them the barcode. They scan it and then they give you a free goodie bag, okay? So that's how the Target goodie bag works. These two are from Bye Bye Baby, and again, remember, you only get one. But in this situation, I was lucky. It pays to be nice, y'all. It pays to go in with a smile and just be nice to people, because you never know how you will be blessed. Okay, so these two bags, they are from Bye Bye Baby. They have exactly the same things in there. Go online, make an account. You sign up, really quick, basic information. Go and visit your local Bye Bye Baby store and let them know that you created a baby registry. For this one in particular, my local Bye Bye Baby, they didn't ask to see the registry or anything like that, which I thought was a little bit weird. But I'm sure at other ones they'll ask, you know, just to see the registry really quickly, just to confirm that you actually made one, or maybe they won't. But just let them know you made a registry, or you can actually go there, make your registry, because you can do your baby registries in store. With Amazon, all you have to do, you have to make a registry. With Amazon, you do have to make a purchase from the baby registry for about $10, and then they will ship you your free goodie box. So now we're gonna jump right into looking at all of these products. This is the first Walmart box. This is the one that I actually had mailed to me from the online registry. And then the second one that I'll show you guys is the one that I got from my OBGYN. So the first one, like I said, this is the one that was sent to me online. Now everybody's gift boxes and sample boxes, they vary. Some you get more, some you get less, some you get different products. So this one that I got that was shipped to me from online, the first product that we have or item is a little Ziploc container. And with this, you can just put little snacks for your baby or use it for whatever you want to use. And most of these products, they also come with like a little coupon book. So you can test out the product, see how you like it, and then you get a coupon that you can use to buy more. So this is the first item. The second item is a Gerber oatmeal single grain cereal, and this is 2 servings right here. The second item that we have is a Baby Dove sensitive skincare. This is the hypoallergenic wash, no parabens, dyes, or sulfates, and this bottle is 1.8 ounces. So basically with these boxes, you either get a full size or you get like a little sample size just so you can try it out and see how you and your baby like it. And then you can go ahead and use the coupons to purchase the full-size product. The next item we have here is the Johnson's Cotton Touch. This is a newborn wash and shampoo, and this bottle is 0.8 ounces or 0.85 ounces. So it's almost a full ounce. Like I said, this is just a little sample size, and these are great if you want to throw them in a little overnight bag or diaper bag, you know, just so you don't have the full-size products. If somebody's babysitting, you guys are going out of town, these are also great to just throw in the bag. The next item that we have in this gift box or sample box is the Huggies Little Snugglers. This comes with 3 diapers, and it's a size 1 for babies up to 14 pounds. So you get 3 diapers for free. And then in this little envelope right here, you get these cards. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen people that take pictures of their babies on a little cute backdrop, and it has like 1 month, 2 months next to it. So this is so you can take pictures as your baby ages, and I believe it goes all the way up until 12 months. We have this little sample packet of Aquaphor healing paste. This is the fast relief diaper rash. So it's just a little sample packet, like a one-time use thing to see how you like it. And then here we have just some little coupon books. This is the second Walmart box that we have. This one I got from my OBGYN, and y'all, it was stuffed full of products. First item we have is a little magazine. Second item we have is again the Gerber oatmeal single grain cereal, and this is 2 servings. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, you guys. I think it's Lansano, I'm not sure, but I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with this breast pump brand. But here they included 2 breast milk storage bags and 2 disposable nursing pads. We have a pack of 3 diapers. Again, this is the Huggies Special Delivery. This is a size 1 for babies up to 14 pounds, and you get 3 diapers in here as well. This is a product that's actually for mommy. So this is a Dove Care Between Washes. This is a dry conditioner spray. This is the Go Active Dry Conditioner. It leaves your hair nourished and touchably soft for times when washing is not a part of the plan, but beautiful hair is. How cute is this, y'all? Then we have another Ziploc container for your baby snacks or whatever you want to use it for. And here we have a bottle. This is the MAM Easy or MAM Easy Start Anti-Colic. Inside there's a pacifier as well. This is the Johnson's Cotton Wash Newborn Wash and Shampoo again. So this is the Bordeaux, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm not even about to butcher the name. But this is their maximum strength diaper rash ointment, and it's a skin protectant with zinc oxide, free from dyes, preservatives, and parabens. So this is a little sample pack for, I believe, 1 or 2 uses, maybe just 1 use. The Weleda, not sure how you pronounce it, but it's that brand right there. And this is the Calendula Wash Lotion and Shampoo. So it's a shampoo and body wash, certified natural baby care product. And this is 1.7 ounces. Here in this pack, this is by the brand Nano Bebe, I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is a hospital go bag kit, and it has a pacifier. What else? Okay, so on the back it tells you what it comes with. It has nursing pads, breast milk storage bags, a flexi pacifier for babies 0 to 3 months, and a newborn essentials coupon book. So basically they said pack this directly in your hospital bag when you're going to deliver. Just drop this right in there and you have all of those products ready. So that's really, really cute and convenient. Here we have a little sample of the Mommy's Bliss Gripe Water, the original formula. We have another sample of the Aquaphor Fast Relief Diaper Rash Paste. And in this box you also get the same cards, you know, the 1 month, 2 months, all the way to 12 months, so you can take pictures of your baby. Here we have a little coupon booklet. This is a sample packet of the Water Wipes Baby Wipes, and it is made with 99.9% water and a drop of fruit extract. So you have 1 free sample in here, and on the back you have a $1 off coupon. Here we have a sample. These are 2 packets by the brand Live Clean Baby. And the first packet is a Gentle Moisture Tearless Shampoo and Wash, and the second one is a Gentle Moisture Baby Lotion. So now we have the Target goodie bag. First thing we have is this is a baby bottle. We have a baby bottle by Event. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So you have a free baby bottle right here. We have a pack of diapers. This again is the Huggies special delivery. You have 3 diapers in here, size 1 for babies up to 14 pounds. So this is by the brand Honest. These are plant-based wipes, over 99% water, and you have 10 wipes in here, you guys. So you get a good amount to really see how you like it. This brand, the wipes have no alcohol, no parabens, no fragrance, or any chlorine processing. So this is a pack of the brand Water Wipes, and this is a pack of 10 wipes. So in the Walmart box that I showed you last, you got 1 wipe, but for the Target, for the water wipes, you get a pack of 10. We have another free baby bottle, and on the inside you can see it comes with a pacifier. Another free baby bottle, and this is actually a Dr. Brown's bottle, so you guys know this brand is really good. So you have a free Dr. Brown's bottle, and this one is 4 ounces. This is by the brand Baby Bum, and it's a coconut balm, plant-based. What is this? Well, it's that. Yo, I'm still new to this, so I'm trying to figure out what everything is for, okay? This is the Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion. Also have another free diaper in here. I'm not sure what brand this is exactly, but it's a free diaper, and this is by the brand Pedialyte. This is the Pedialyte Advanced Care Electrolyte Powder, and it's in the flavor Berry Frost. This is really good, as it says, to help with morning sickness, rehydration when you're throwing up. So if you're suffering from morning sickness and all of that, this product should really help. We also have another packet, you guys, of baby wipes. This is by the brand Pampers, and it comes with 6 wipes. This is the sensitive perfume-free line. We have some coupons. We have another sample of the Aquaphor Fast Relief Diaper Rash Paste. We have a sample of the Boogie Wipes. These are Gentle Saline Nose Wipes, and it comes with a $1 off coupon, so you get a little sample and a coupon to buy the full-size product. We have another I'm not sure how to pronounce this, y'all. 2 breast milk storage bags and 2 disposable nursing pads. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. This is a massage lotion for stretch marks, and it's a good amount in here, you guys. The last 2 goodie bags that we have are from Bye Bye Baby. I went through both of them already, and they have exactly the same products and items in here. So I won't be going through both of them. That wouldn't really make sense, but just know that both of these have all of the same products. So everything that I pull out of this bag, just know it's ×2, okay? I'm just gonna open this up so we can see. So, oh wow. So this is a packet for 1 use. This is the Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Baby Detergent. So this is laundry detergent from Dreft. I actually have a few full-size bottles of these already, and they smell amazing. Some little coupons right here, a little coupon book. We have a pack of Pampers wipes. This is the Sensitive Wipes by Pampers, and it comes with 6. And we have a free diaper. Yeah, I guess this is like a little changing pad. So we have this. And all of these things came inside. This is a free bottle by the brand Avent. Don't get on me, y'all, for pronouncing some of these brand names incorrectly, but this is a free baby bottle. A sample packet of the Baby Ganix Moisturizing Daily Lotion, fragrance free. So this is a little one-time use packet. We actually have 2 packets of these. Here is another sample packet of the Boogie Wipes, a sample of the Mommy's Bliss Gripe Water, or 1.7 fluid ounces of the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Massage Lotion. Okay, these are some coupons for some small businesses that sell baby products. Here we have a little packet, a little sample booklet, and this is by the brand Noodle and Boo. This is the newborn 2-in-1 hair and body wash and the super soft lotion. Here we have the Bye Bye Baby on board safety first sign, and this is so that you can put it in your car. Aquaphor Baby 3-in-1 diaper rash cream, and this is a 10 gram or 0.35 ounce sample. Guys, so that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. These are all of the goodies that we went through from Target, Bye Bye Baby, Walmart. I gave you some great tips and tricks and little hints and secrets on how to save you some money and get some free baby products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't joined the Vibes family already. Drop your comments down below so I know if you guys like this video. Give me some suggestions on some more videos that you guys want to see from me. And don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you know the next time I got another video dropping. I will see you in my next video.